Hi, my name's Katrina Armstrong, and I'm the Dean of the Vagelos College of Physicians and Surgeons. I came to Columbia because we're at a time where we can do more in health and healthcare and in science than we could ever imagine. Coming out of the COVID-19 pandemic, I knew it was time to come to this place and help us lead in what we can do for our patients, our communities, and really for the health of everyone across the globe. We face many challenges in the biomedical sciences today. Coming out of the pandemic, we've seen that so many groups experience so much more disease than they should. And so we're working hard with our faculty and students to develop curriculum, to develop science, to really ensure that we prioritize health equity in everything that we do. At the same time that we're focusing on equity, we realize that restoring trust in science across everyone is going to be critical if our scientific discoveries can have the impact that they should. For us, that means creating ways for our students and our faculty to connect with the people who they serve. I have done a lot of jobs in my life, I have to say. I waited a lot of tables, I have shoveled a lot of stalls, I grew up in rural Alabama. I will say maybe the job that I think people are often most surprised about is that I used to work at a steak restaurant where I was covered in brown polyester with yellow cues all over it, delivering steak to different tables at a place called Quincy's. I think so many people here, whether they're deans or students or faculty members, can tell you stories about the jobs that they did that got them here, and I know they bring a lot to who we are today. My favorite book today is The Boys in the Boat. It's an incredible book about a team that went up against all odds in the Olympics. You know, for me, I read it at a time in the pandemic where, boy, did I need that message. A message that things were hard, but we could get through it. And I still go back to parts of it to remember just how incredible that story is and just what we're all capable of when we work together.